Hello everyone, my name is Abhimanyu and today we will solve some questions. So let's start. Now, the first question is, if cosec theta minus cot theta is equals to m, what is cosec theta equals to? As we know, one Pythagorean trigonometric identity, cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equals to 1. And if we break it in the format of a square minus b square, that is a plus b into a minus b, where a is cosec theta, b is cot theta, then we will get cosec theta minus cot theta into cosec theta plus cot theta. Okay, we will get this, and if we will get this is equals to 1, and we have this value m. So what we will left here? We will left with cosec theta plus cot theta is equals to m will go on RHS, it will become 1 upon m. So cosec theta plus cot theta is 1 upon m and cosec theta minus cot theta is m. So when we will add these two equations, we will get 2 cosec theta is equals to m plus 1 by m, and cosec theta value will leads to m by 2 plus 1 by 2m. Okay, let's move to the next question. Next question is, if e to the power theta phi is equals to c plus 4 theta pi, where c is an arbitrary constant and phi is a function of theta, then what is phi d theta equals to? And as we know that e to the power theta phi is equals to c plus 4 theta, and we have to find what theta d theta, sorry, phi d theta, then we have to differentiate with respect to theta. Then we will differentiate with respect to theta. Then e to the power theta phi differentiation will be e to the power theta phi only into d of theta phi by d theta is equals to, now we can say that c differentiation with respect to theta is 0 plus 4 into theta phi differentiation is d by d theta of theta phi. Okay, so e to the power theta phi into d by d theta of theta phi is equals to 4 into d by d theta into theta phi. And if you know that here also d by d theta into theta phi, here also d by d theta into theta phi. So when it will be in LHS, so we will take it common. So here would be e to the power theta phi minus 4 into d by d theta of theta phi is equals to 0. Now we will equate this only to 0 because we does not want its value. So the factor d by d theta is equals to of theta phi is equals to 0. Now we will differentiate it. So u constant, v differentiation plus phi constant into d theta by d theta is 1 is equals to 0. Now theta into d phi or minus d theta into d phi is equals to phi into d theta, and that only we have to calculate. So option B is the correct answer. Okay, let's move to the next question. We have to find what? Let us see which of the following determinants have value 0. So we have to find the value of the determinants. So let us see whose values are 0 or not. So what we have to do? We have to use the properties of the determinants. Okay, so here we can see 41, 79, 29, 175, 593. So what we will do with the column 3? That column 3 we will do 8 into column 3 plus column 2. So it would be 8 5 is 40 plus 1, 41. It would be 8 9 is 72 plus 7, 79. 8 3 is 24 plus 5, 29. So you can see, no, it is not the column is this. So C1 and C3 are same. So this would leads to 0. Again, you can see here what we can do here. C3 we can do that B plus C plus A means C3 plus C2. So it would lead to A plus B plus C, A plus B plus C, A plus B plus C. Okay, and when we will take A plus B plus C common, so it will be 1 1 1 A B C and 1 1 1 if we take A plus B plus C as a common. A plus B plus C as a common. So it would also lead to C1 and C3 same. So it would lead to also equals to 0. Now here you can see that here 0 0 0 is there. So expanding is the best method. So we will expand it with R1. Now R1 0 into something will be 0. Then minus C. Then minus C if you take, then minus C 0 is 0. Minus of minus B into A, that is positive of AB. Positive of B. Then into minus AC. Okay, not minus AC, minus minus plus AC. Okay, so minus ABC plus ABC would leads to 0. So all the three determinants leads to 0. So answer is option D. Okay, let's move to the next question. What is next question? Let the work done by x minus 1 man in x plus 1 days be y. Let the work done by x plus 2 men in x minus 1 days be z. And if the y is to z is equals to 9 is to 10, then what is the value of x? We have to find the value of x. So as we know, what we know that men into days is equals to work. And what is men? Men is x minus 1 into x plus 1 is the days is equals to work is y. And when we will take the ratio, it would be x plus 2 into x minus 1 by z. Okay. Now we know that x minus 1 will cancel out each other. It will lead to x plus 1 by x plus 2 is equals to 9 upon 10. So we will cross multiply 10x minus 9x. 10x minus 9x, that is x. 10 minus 10, and here is 18. 18 minus 10 is 8. So what we got? X equals to 8 is the correct option. Okay. So this is the way to solve the questions. Next, by increasing the speed of his car by 15 km per hour, a person covers a distance of 300 km by taking an hour less than before. What is the original speed of the car? So here original speed of the car is given in the option. So by going option is the best method in this question. So we have to select that which is the best method in which questions. Okay. Now, so when we have to see that distance is equals to 300 km. So we have to see which is factor or not, because an hour here the answer is in natural number. So we have to see which is factor or not. So 45 is not the factor of 300. So this option is eliminated. But 50 is the factor of 300. But when we increase its speed to more 15 km, then plus 16, that would lead to 65. And 65 is not the factor of 300. So this option also eliminated. Now we got just two options. So 675 both is valid. Now one by one we will check and verify. So now we know that what we know, that is time is equals to distance upon speed. Now speed is this much, distance is this much. If we divide, what will time we get? We get 5 hours. When we increase its speed, it will become 75. Okay, and then the time will be 4 hours. So what is the difference here? Difference is 1 hour, and that is 1 hour less is picking in the question. So that is the correct answer, option number C. Okay, let's move. Now 10 siblings, out of which A's pocket money 30% of total, and he spent 20% of it and saves 80%. No, sorry, yeah, saves 80%, of course. 20% is spent, 80% saves, and that is 144 rupees. What is B's saving? If he spent 50% of it and his pocket money is 20% of total. A's pocket money is 30% of total, B's pocket money is 20% of total. Okay, that means that their total pocket money is 50% of the out of 10 siblings. Means 2 siblings have 50% of the pocket money out of 10. So what we have that 80%. Now out of his pocket money, he spent 20%, just very miser. So and saves lots. So a saver. So to 80% saves. So 80% fractional value you should know. It's 4 upon 5. So 4 upon 5 fractional value is how much? 144 upon x. So 144 value is 36 times. So x is also, it is 36 times, that is 180. So A's pocket money is how much? 180 rupees. Okay, A's pocket money is 180 rupees. We get A's pocket money, and A's pocket money is 30% of the total, means 3 upon 10 of the total. Total is 180. Let us take total as y. So it is 60 times. So y will be 60 times. So it will be 600. So total siblings pocket money is 600. Now what is B's pocket money? Is 20% of 600. 20% means 10% is 60. 20% is 120. So B's pocket money is 120 rupees just. Out of which B spent 50%. Means 60 rupees B spent and 60 rupees B saves. So what is the money B saves? So that is 60, and that is option number D is the correct answer. Let's move. A and B earn in the ratio 2:1. They spend in the ratio 5:3. Saves in the ratio 4:1. If that total saving, monthly saving of A and B are rupees 5,000, the monthly saving of or monthly income of B is. What is the monthly income of B? Let us see. As we know that monthly income of B we have to find. Now saving ratio is given and saving is also given. So saving ratio of A and B is 4 is to 1. That is sum of ratio is 5 and some money is also 5,000. Means one ratio have value 1,000. Means B have saving one ratio means B saving is 1,000 rupees. Then A saving will be 4 ratio, that is 4,000 rupees. So A and B saving will get. Now income of A and B is how much? 2 is to 1. Expenditure of A and B is 5 is to 3. Then saving of A and B is 4,000 and 1,000. So let us solve by first cross multiplication, then basic. So in cross multiplication, we will multiply cross and take the difference. So 3 to the 6 minus 5, that is 1. So 1 unit value will be 5,000 into 12,000, that is, sorry, minus 12,000, sorry, 12,000 minus 5,000, that would leads to 7,000 because we have to take the difference. Okay, so 1 unit value is 7,000 and that is the B's income. So B income asking, so it is 7,000. This is by cross multiplication method. Let us solve it by simple basic method. We know that income, let us take 2x. So income minus saving, okay, and take the ratios of income minus saving. X minus saving is 1,000. Income minus saving is what? Expenditure, that is 5 is to 3, and multiply. So 3 to the 6x, 5x, it would be x is equals to 4 3 is 12,000 minus 5,000, it would leads to 7,000. So 7,000 is the correct answer. Okay, so this is the two method. Which method you like, you can apply. Okay, next. The average monthly rainfall is 2.7 inch. The average of first 7 months rainfall is 1.1 less than the average of yearly rainfall. And the rainfall of other 4 months is 20.3. What is the average rainfall of last month? Okay, so average rainfall of last month is X, for example. And for 4 months, the rainfall is 20.3. And for the 7 months, what is the rainfall? Rainfall is 1.1 less than 2.7 inch. Less than the average. So 2.7 is 1.1 less, that it would leads to 1.6 is equals to, for 12 months, what is the monthly average rainfall? That is 2.7. So x plus 20.3 and 16 7 is 112 plus 12, that is 11.2, 11 and 20, 31, 31.5 is equals to 12 to the 24, 24 and 12 7 is 84, 24 and 8, 32. So 32.4. So x value is 32.4 minus 31.5. That is how much? 0.9. Next is area of rhombus having sides 10 centimeter and one diagonal is 12 centimeter. As we know that rhombus having all sides equals and the diagonals are bisecting each other at 90 degree. So we will draw diagonals which are bisecting at 90 degree. So this is diagonal, and for example this is one side that is of 10 centimeter, and you know that one of diagonal is 12 centimeter. So let us take it 6, it is 6. Half are bisecting each other. Then as we know that 10, 6, 8s are the triplets. So other will be 8. So it is also 8. So diagonal is 12 and 16. So half into 12 into 16. So half into 16, that is 8. 8 into 12 is how much? 96. Okay. So 96 centimeter square is the correct answer. Let us move to the last question of the day. In a triangle. So first they told me to draw a triangle. So we will draw a triangle. What is the name of the triangle? A, B and C. Okay, next is AP equals to AC. So AP equals to AC given, and also that a circle through B, means it is an isosceles triangle. A circle through B touches AC. So a circle we have to take through B and it will touch AC and intersect at touch AC at D and intersect AB. So it will intersect AB at what? P. So it will intersect at P. Sorry for the diagram. Okay, now as we know that D is also the midpoint. Now as we know what? That AD is equals to AC upon 2, and you know that AC is equals to AB. So AB upon 2 we can also write it. So AD equals to AB upon 2. And according to the second tangent rule. So what is tangent here? AD from same external point A. And what is second here? AB is the second. So AD square is equals to, what is that? It will be AP into AB. Okay, and AD is what? AB upon 2 whole square is equals to AP into AB. Okay, so AB square by 4 is equals to AP into AB. So AB will cut out each other. So 4AP. AB equals to what? 4AP. So which is the correct option? Option number C. So C is the correct option. Okay, so that's all for the tray. We have solved all the questions with different techniques. You can practice and you can also solve it. And this is for today. Thank you.